preparing the offer. You've gotten all that rapport out of the way. You've built the rapport with the listing agent. Now it's time to write the offer. So most important step, and we've talked about this a lot, I know Cal brings it up, just follow the MLS instructions. They are going to give you so many hints within that confidential data of the MLS instructions that it's mind-blowing how many agents will lose deals because they didn't follow the instructions in terms of some of the terms. Sometimes they're going to lay out all the terms that needed to be right in there to get your offer accepted. Submission instructions. A lot of times it'll be a simple thing like your offer will not be received unless the headline or the subject line of the email says, quote unquote, this. And so many agents will not do that. Just double check, triple check those confidential remarks in the MLS instructions, and it'll give you a huge leg up to submitting the offer. Keep it clean to be competitive. I understand that not every offer is going to have completely simple terms, all contingencies waived and removed, but the cleaner of an offer you can submit, the better chances you have of getting an offer accepted. So if you have a client that has the ability to remove contingencies, if you don't need to put in a ton of seller credits up front, everything like that is going to clean up the offer. It's going to give you so much of a better chance to get it accepted. And 3, I just didn't delete that from the previous slide, so there's no 3 there. So preparing clean offers. Submit all documents the first time. When you're submitting an email with the offer in there, submit everything. Don't leave out the proof of funds. Don't leave out the pre-approval. Don't leave out any addenda or anything that you should be submitting the first time. Don't give the listing agent a reason to counter your offer. Give them the cleanest, most well-written offer, include all the addenda, proof of funds, pre-approval the first time, so that they have the best offer. That's also giving you a leg up because there's going to be so many other offers coming in that are going to be written poorly. They're not going to have the proof of funds attached. They're not going to be ready to go. You want to give yourself the best chance of getting this accepted. And don't forget the love letter. So important. Are you guys all submitting love letters with anybody not submitting love letters? You don't need to submit it with a land deal, but we were joking about that earlier. Like, we love this land so much. We're going to treat the dirt so well. We're going to till the soil for so many years, but realistically, submit a love letter. There's going to be a lot of agents that'll tell you, hey, I can't present this legally to my buyers, but still put it in there because you never know if it's going to make its way in there, if you could sneak it in. Kyle, you've got a great recommendation of how to sneak it in really well.
Yeah, just make it the first page of the RPA. Don't make it a separate file because they'll just conveniently not send that file to the client, but make it page 1 of the RPA. If you don't know how to combine pages, if you have a Mac, it's really easy. You can do it in preview. If you need another tool, ilovepdf.com makes it really easy to merge PDF files together.
And most agents won't know how to separate them, and they're just going to submit it. So that's awesome. If you want to get it in there, sneak it in sometimes. That's the best way you can do.